Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal with Palantir Daily Analysis. In this video, we will talk about how Palantir did today compared with other AI stocks. We'll also do technical chart analysis and EPS comparison. We'll also try to make an assessment for Palantir for next week. Now, let's get started. On your screen, you see Palantir stock chart for today. Palantir opened at 2270 and it closed at 2267. That is 0.74% down. And after hours, it's 2% down already. It's not a good sign. Today, it made a low 2241 and made a high 2320. So after opening, it tried to go further up, but it could not hold it above 23. So it came down. Not just Palantir stock, all the AI stocks dropped today. Even the overall market went down today. Take a look at S&P. So S&P was also 1.4% down. So overall, Palantir did not do a bad job today. So if you compare with other AI stock, let's take a look. So I added other AI stock as well on this chart. So the black line is Palantir. You see that all the other AI stock dropped more than Palantir today. So Palantir today did a decent job. Let me show you another interesting data. You see this table on your screen? I put together the last 1 year change for all the AI stocks. The highest increase you see in SMCI, 730%. And Palantir kind of lie in the middle, right? It didn't go high too much in last 1 year. So still Palantir has some room to go further up, right? Compared with other AI stocks, Nvidia and SMCI. The problem I see here is forward PE ratio. Take a look. Palantir at this point is 69 forward PE, higher than other AI stocks. So this tells that based on the future earning projections, Palantir is overpriced or overvalued. That's why you see Palantir is under pressure since past few weeks. And let me show you another data. In this table, I try to capture the EPS projection for this quarter that's gonna be released this month or next month versus the EPS actuals the last quarter. So you see that Palantir, no increase or decrease projected in the EPS, so 0%. Nvidia, 7.17% increase projected for EPS for this quarter. SMCI, 4.47%. AMD, 20% down. SoundHound, the projection is 28% down. So even Palantir is still kind of lie in the middle, but not a good sign that the next projection is not going high for Palantir. Now let's take a look technical charts. On your screen, you see 90-day hourly interval chart for Palantir and also the RSI. RSI after hours is at 33.39. Is little oversold, but not much. So on Monday, there is a chance that Palantir can go up if no other negative news regarding Palantir on Monday. Now let's take a look 30 minutes interval chart. In a 30 minutes interval chart, RSI is at 31, even lower than hourly interval chart. So in the short term, it looks like Palantir is more oversold. Now let's take a look MACD. MACD in a 30 minutes interval chart at this point is below zero. It's trying to get some negative momentum, but it's not successful so far. So the reason I'm saying is because the curve is not steep, unlike this. So this tells that the buying force is trying to neutralize the effect of the selling forces. Now let's take a look hourly interval chart. The hourly interval chart looks better than the 30 minutes interval chart. The hourly interval MACD not below zero at this point, and the curve is not steep, unlike this. So even if the selling forces are there, but they are not very strong. Now let's draw some Fibonacci levels. Based on the Fibonacci levels, as we saw yesterday, the next level of support is at 2192. So it will be very interesting to see if Palantir can be able to break 2192 and go further below. In my opinion, it will be hard for Palantir to go further down below 2192. But we'll see what happens on Monday. And that 2192 is basically 50% correction based on the Fibonacci level. From this lowest point, that is 1659, to the highest point, 2725. On the higher side, the resistance level is 2318, and after that it's 2473. Regarding the news about Palantir, at this point, I do not see any negative news on Palantir. There are some positive. You see, Jim Cramer is positive about Palantir. He's bullish. Another good thing last week happened for Palantir is this guy, Oracle versus Palantir. They announced a partnership. Other than that, I do not see any specific news regarding Palantir. Overall, in the AI sector, lots of optimism I see for this quarter. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.